Good day, my friend. I'm back. You're back. This is Rodney Williams from Solid Rock Group. Thank you for having me into your homes, your mobile devices, wherever you're looking at me at. I appreciate you so much again. I'm excited right now. And so let's go. We have no time to waste. 2 minutes or more to dream awake now. My dear friend, I got one question for you. My question is very simple, but are you fit to last? Monday through the rest of the week. Are we getting fit? I see you in the gym. You're lifting it up, you're doing it right, your stomach is flat, your muscles is getting toned. But are you sculpting your mind just the same? I don't know, only you have that answer. I mean, look, have you clarified the role that you need to take in order to see that dream really be birthed? In order to really see that vision come into reality? Are you doing that? Are you reading those books? Think and Grow Rich, 10 Times Rule, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself? Are you meditating to nice, soft music and just helping your mind to elevate? I don't know. You know that, but that's what's necessary. In fact, it may be the X factor in staying fit to last. Secondly, have you been wasting time? Oh, I know you may say, not me, but guess what? We all have. We all have wasted time. But I got a secret for you. You haven't so much wasted time as you have not managed the activity within the time that you have. You see, here's the question that you need to ask. Does time really care about me? I dare to tell you it doesn't. Time is going to move with or without you. It doesn't matter. And so you need to manage the activity in the time that you have. And you did that when you clarified the role that you need to take in getting it done. Last, have you had patterns of stinking thinking? I mean that negative thinking of always saying not, woulda, shoulda, coulda. Oh, this week I dare you. As a matter of fact, I double dare you. To have that positive attitude of I can and I will and I shall. And you'll watch that all we need to say is that we are. We say it even before it manifests because that's the attitude that we have. We don't let things affect us, but we affect change. My dear friends, watch your thoughts this week because they become words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits because it becomes your character. Watch your character because it becomes your destiny. But if you do it with me right this week, then you know what we always say. We see that dream, we channel that dream, and then we birth that dream. And we do it when? We dream awake now because we can. My dear friend, I love you and I thank you. This has been Rodney Williams from Solid Rock Group, encouraging you to stay fit to last. But let's go ahead and dream awake now, and I'll definitely catch you on the other side. See you soon.